We are going to take a quick look at a Ligmatech MPH 450 case clamp. It does have a 100-inch length capacity, a 55-inch height capacity, and a very generous 36-inch width capacity. On the floor, you are going to find some pneumatic loaded rollers. It's a 2-stage foot pedal. Hit with your toe real fast, and that is going to bring those rolls up. Tap the front part of the foot pedal, and it'll release them. Now, this machine does have proximity switches, proximity sensors built into both axes. Again, really easy to use, just arrows for direction. Now, those proximity sensors, what's gonna happen is right now we are closing at its slowest speed. When it comes about 3/4 of an inch away from your carcass, it is going to stop. If we take a look, you're gonna see that horizontal is just about to stop. That horizontal just came in. We can also fast jog, so if you hit your arrow and this button, it's going to fast jog. The fast jog never works that great in the horizontal position because the electronic clutches keep kicking in. And we just find that in general in these case clamps. And so if you take a look, you're gonna see that there is a gap here and it automatically stopped. Now, your two buttons here are your horizontal and your vertical pressure. So this is how you adjust those pressures. This is going to be a timer. This is how you set that timer. Now what we're gonna do is, obviously it hit the proximity switches. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come and hit both arrows again. And now it is going to slowly walk until it hits the clutch tension that it is set at. As you can see, it has squared that box up. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com, or you can give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.